Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to set a password for your wireless router. Specifically in this video, we'll be doing the Nexxt router. Now, first things first, you need to connect whatever device you're going to be using to go onto your router to your router, whether that's via LAN or whether that's via Wi-Fi, which I will be doing. So let's zoom up a bit. So it's showing that the Nexxt is open and available. So gonna connect. So it's showing that it's connecting. Let's wait on it to finish connecting. Alright, it's connected. Now, in order for you to go onto your router, you'll need the default IP address of your router. Now you can find that in the box you got your router with, or at the back or bottom of your wireless router. Now in my case, it's at the bottom of my wireless router. Now let's turn this around. Alright, my default IP address is 192.168.0.1. Now when you enter that in, you'll be prompted to enter in your username and your password for your wireless router. Now for some wireless for some brands this might be different. You might have it as admin for your username or password for your password. So just make a note of that. What you'll be told, you get that information at the back, or you'll have that information in the box that you get your wireless router in, or you'll be told by your internet service provider, depending on if they provide the wireless router to you. Now let's get started. First things first, enter in your IP address, your default IP address. Okay. And I'm prompted by the box, admin. So type in admin. Then you log in. Because it's the first time I'm coming onto this, it's prompting me to set up the router. So I'll keep everything as default, so I won't change anything. Set as DHCP and apply. Okay, now first thing you want to do, now that you're in there and you're done with that, is go to WAN settings and go down to security, and you want to enable and set as the most compatible security mode that you have, so that different devices will be able to connect to it of your choosing. So you won't just have your phone, connecting to it and unable to connect to it with your laptop, those type of situations. Same with here, make it more compatible with different devices. Now I want to change that password because it says please change me. I don't want that. So just for record, this was not this it didn't have a password in the beginning. It's because I enabled it why it's giving me a passphrase right now, but I don't want the password that's given me, so I'm gonna change it to home password. Yeah, so home password, and then I'm gonna apply. Now it's loading. Alright, when it's done, we're gonna go down here and we're gonna check and see what happens when we try to log in, because remember it was saying open before. So let's just go down here. Okay, it's telling me no internet, but it's open. I'm waiting on that to change. Oh, it has changed. I just haven't recognized it. Okay, so the next tool is the is how it was before. So it's really just showing me an really just the words there. So I see this. Yeah, really just the words there. It's if I try to connect to this, nothing will happen because it no longer exists. It's what I should be looking at now is the Nexxt, which is now secured. So if I close it and open it, right, so no Wi-Fi found. I turn on Wi-Fi again, and there it is. Oops, yeah, there it is. So then I connect. Not wrong one. Yeah. So I connect. I know it's asking me for a password. So HOMEPASSWORD, home password. And that's verifying and connecting. It's gonna take a while. Connected. So you can go back into your WLAN settings and you go down to security and you see home password set, and that is how you set a password for your wireless router. Now if you want me to make another video to elaborate more on it, just comment down below and I'll make another video. I'll leave IP address or some IP address, default IP address for different wireless routers in my description, so you'll be able to try them out, and two different username and password you can use. And just hit a like, share, help promote my videos, and tell me where I was lacking in the video. I was trying to make it so that you could see the actual router itself and what was going on screen. I was just gonna use the screen recorder and just record it on the screen, and so you wouldn't have any real shaking and interference much. But because I wanted to show the router as well, I did externally. So Hope you guys found this video to be educational. Thank you for taking the time to watch it. Bye.